Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amy Renee, your queen of slay. What's up? If you're new, go ahead, click that little red subscribe button so you can be part of the fam. Join the fam, let everybody know that you knew who I was before I got famous. But for real, if you're new, go ahead, click subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know, guys, what's better? Regular Cheetos or hot Cheetos? Leave me a comment, let me know. We did a little poll on Instagram already, but I want to know YouTube. Let me know. So today's video, we are going to be doing this eye look. I posted a pic of this on Instagram, I think late last week. So today's the 24th that I'm filming. Sometime late last week. I think it came out really well. I think it's a really nice look for like a date night, going out. Even you could probably get away with wearing this during the daytime too. It's like a soft brown, smoky kind of glam look with a like a burnt red eyeliner. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright guys, so I am going to start off by priming my eyes. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to put this all over my lid and crease and then just pat it in with this flat concealer brush. Alright, next I am taking a flat packer brush and I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette into the shade Chaser, and I am just going to be packing this all over the lid and taking it up into my crease. Next I am taking a big fluffy brush and I'm going to take that same shade and just really smoke it out in the crease and blend it up into my brow bone. I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller crease brush and take the shade Sauced, and I'm just going to put that in the crease a little bit lower than we put the last shade. And I'm just going to keep adding color until I'm happy with the intensity and I'm happy with the blend. Next, I'm going to take that big fluffy brush we just used and blend out that color, make sure we do not have any harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and that flat concealer brush, and I am going to cut the crease. For this look, we are going to be doing a half cut crease. Next, I'm taking a really flat shader brush and going into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and picking up the shade Luscious. And I am just going to pack this all over where that wet concealer is. And I just keep packing on more color basically until I like the shine and the intensity of this. Next, I'm going in with a really small crease brush and going back into that shade Sauced, and I'm just going to build up the intensity in the crease. I really like when there's a stark difference between the color on the lid and the color in the crease. And then of course we gotta blend it out. Next, I'm going in with a domed blending brush. This one's packed pretty tight, and we're going in with the shade Low Blow. And we're just going to put this on the outer corner of the eye, blending it into that shade on the lid, and then also blending it into the crease. Next, I am going to be taking a Sonia Kashuk eyeliner brush and the Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Gemini, and I am going to be using this as my eyeliner. This is a fun trick if you want to maybe play with some more fun colors for eyeliner. You can always just use a liquid lip. Just make sure that it's a liquid lipstick that dries all the way down. Otherwise, it's going to be transferring all over your eyes and making a mess. I really like the Jeffree Star liquid lips for this. Oh yes. Okay, next we're going in with just a regular black eye pencil. I'm gonna just be lining my waterline. Yes, that's so cute. Then I'm going to curl my lashes.
And I, oh,
Alright guys, so I fucked up. I thought my camera was recording and it wasn't, so this is where it stopped. But we only missed a few things. So the next step I did was cleaning up that line on the winged liner with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a flat concealer brush, making sure that my wing was really sharp. And then the next thing I did was I took the shade Sauced on a really small like detail brush, and I packed that in along the lower lash line really close to the lashes, and then I took a really small crease brush, the shade Chaser, and just smoked that out. Alright, so next is mascara. You can see I already did my top lashes. That was me realizing that I f***ed up. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some of that mascara to the lower lashes. And then we're gonna pop on some fake eyelashes. These are the Eyeliner Jasmine Brown Curly Queen lashes. These are my fave right now. You can get them at Ulta. Next, I'm taking my Ofra Star Island highlighter on a really small crease brush, and I am just going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Next, I'm just gonna pop some more highlighter on the cheeks because, you know, we need to be seen from space. And that is the final look, guys. Alright guys, and that is the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every single time I post. Like, comment, and go follow me on all my other social media profile. I always do this once a video. It always happens. But go follow me on all my other social media profiles. Those are linked in the description and also on the end card for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!